Oh, it's a partridge in a pear tree.
Look over here, man.
And 2 doves.
I'm not gonna see.
And 3
Over here.
hens. And 4
Stop, don't worry
calling
about this.
birds. And 6 geese a-laying.
Look at that.
Yeah, and 7 swans a-swimming. And 8 milkmaids. And 9 ladies dancing. 10 lords a-leaping.
You will have the opportunity to park in the designated area to
What's
visit
11?
the Southern Lights Holiday Village.
Oh, 11 pipers piping.
Horse Park, and enjoy a number of holiday
And
activities,
12 drummers
including
drumming.
Animal Land, visits with Santa, model trains, and
You see
pony
the
and
lights?
camel rides. Don't forget to stop by the gift shop to find something for everyone.
I'm
on your
not
list.
here.
Ready?
Look, they're
Ready?
at the starting gate. Look, there they go. There they go. There they go. Look,
go.
there they go.
Who's
there
gonna
they go,
win?
There they
Travel to the
go.
Oh, red's in front.
International Museum of the Horse. Then attend our scheduled stall
Look,
side
there's
checks.
Santa's sleigh.
Unique
There's Santa.
Racing champions.
I see
The park is open Wednesday through
dinosaurs.
Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
You see the
Plan your
Triceratops?
visit at kyhorsepark.com.
You see Triceratops right there?
I did.
Yeah. And Brontosaurus. And I see a Stegosaurus. I see a pterodactyl. I see T-Rex. Look, Triceratops. Triceratops and a Brontosaurus and Stegosaurus. Pterodactyl.
Yeah, pterodactyl.
Who's that?
T-Rex.
T-Rex.
What we got over here?
Oh, a teddy bear with balloons and a hot air balloon. And another, look, there's a T-Rex riding on the choo-choo train.
That's funny.
You see T-Rex
The
on the
red-
choo-choo train?
The red T-Rex.
Right there.
I did.
Yeah.
He's funny.
Yeah.
There. So,
No.
look at the lights, Max.
We're here to see the light.
Look, she's doing the naughty or nice list. Are
Are
you
you
nice or naughty?
Yeah, you can be on the naughty or nice list. Look, there's penguins over there playing with the igloo.
There's a witch
You see?
There's a red.
over here. See the
Yeah,
witch?
the
In
Wicked
purple?
Witch. And Dorothy. And the Scarecrow and Tin Man and the Lion and Toto. Look, you see the penguins playing on the igloo?
Yeah. The golden.
Our kids burning up. God, he's hot. Is there a sea monster in the water?
Yeah.
You see the look?
There's
You
a
see the
snowman.
sea monster in the water?
Ooh, there's a sea monster.
Look, there's a sea monster. You
Yeah.
see him? You see the dragon? It's a little sea monster.
There's a snowman.
Yeah.
Look. There's a sea monster in the water.
You see
Yeah.
it?
I don't like sea monsters.
You don't
Southern
like
Lights
sea
is so
monsters?
grateful to its
No,
sponsors.
sea monsters
Presenting
are
sponsor is Friends
Oh,
Home. Display
okay.
sponsor is Keeneland.
Look
Platinum
at these.
sponsors are Alltech, Ball
Look at
Homes,
these.
and Greens Toyota
Yeah, you
of
see the
Lexington.
arches?
Gold sponsors are Central Bank,
Pretty, isn't it?
Georgetown Scott County Tourism,
Look,
and
look,
LG&E and
jump
KU
on them.
Foundation.
Mm-hmm.
There's a reindeer.
Oh, look, a reindeer.
And there's just bite. A bite.
Yeah. Look, there's a peacock and an elephant. Somebody's going backwards.
And the elephant.
Elephant? What's that?
Kangaroo.
A rhinoceros? A kangaroo?
Little buddy, go back.
A bear?
Buddy, go backward.
I know, they were going backwards, weren't they? A lion? A hippo?
There's a hippo.
A hippo, right there.
Right there.
Uh-huh. A giraffe?
Giraffe.
And a bear playing a horn? And a monkey.
That's a cool.
Ooh, look, there's a horse jumping. Look, you see the horse jumping? Look, he's gonna start again. Look, he's gonna jump over the fence. There, look, right here. Look, right here. Hold on, stop, Dad. Look, watch. He's gonna start right there. Look, there he goes. There, you see him? He's also definitely got a fever.
We still got some
Tylenol?
Tylenol.
Yeah, it's at home. Sunday.
So Patty.
Right here.
throwing a snowball.
It's a fish jumping.
Yeah, we're
Yeah, he's out.
there. Oh yeah, he's barely being able to stand up. It's like we gotta I'll have to watch that till he gets older. It's like if he didn't, which I know they make him take naps at daycare.
Yeah.
But if he didn't take a nap and he was a little sick,
Yeah.
he'd just start falling over. Kid has to have a nap. That's cool.
He's like his mommy.
Looky there.
That is cool.
You start falling over if you don't have a nap.
I might, yeah.
What does that say?
And to all a good night.
To all a good night. Ooh, look at, there's a flashing yellow little arrow. That's cool.